Hi guys, it's Wednesday evening. We had our men trailing training and I'm leaving to visit Socks, Bailey and Miriam. We will have a very nice hike together tomorrow and I'm already driving their way and we'll stay the night over there. So yeah, have fun watching this family reunion for Dien again. So we had a good night. I slept very well, so that's good. And now we just go to have a pee and then I'll make sure they get their breakfast. And number 2. Wachten. Even wachten. Fine. Good job. I still have to learn to film lots and lots more, so my apologies for that. But after the dogs had breakfast, we just relaxed for another hour and then we went for a very nice hike. It was a 10-minute drive to the forest and then we made a 10-kilometer hike and the dogs really enjoyed it. Must say they did better than expected because Berb was still in heat and she was a bit grumpy at the beginning, but after the first 10 minutes she settled down and it went really well. Dien was her happy self, so she loved every minute of it. And yeah, I'm just really happy with how everything went with the dogs. We were doubting if we should reschedule this hike, but in the end we were really happy we just did it because it was raining, and raining in the Netherlands means no off-leash dogs and no people, so we were all alone. We saw one man with a dog and he gave us space to pass him, and that's not something all people do, so we were quite happy he gave us that space. And for the people that don't know this, Socks, the male is Dien her dad and Bailey, the female, is Dien her grandma, so that's why it's extra special to see these dogs again. When we were done hiking, I went back with Miriam to her house, just relaxed for a few hours and then I drove home. Thank you for watching.